Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use rippling. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Rippling, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, firstly, what is Rippling? So this Rippling is a platform, is a cloud-based workforce management platform that combines HR, IT, and finance into a single system. So basically, it helps your business streamline operation by automating tasks like, for example, employee onboarding, payroll benefits, device management, CRMs, app provisioning, expense tracking. You can do all of that right here. So this is one of the best platform you can use to do those things. So if you want, you can just create an account by clicking see rippling right here on the top right corner, or just enter your email address here, or yeah, you can chat with chat support, AI chat support right here, and just click see rippling in action. And also they will ask your yeah, see a live demo, and after that they will ask your email address again, and you just need to input, and they will see, and they will guide you to set up your account. So I'm just going to input my email right here. So yes, you can see the login. This page right here is not working, but if you're having problem with this login methods, you can just use the AI chat support right here, and it will be much more easier. So same thing, they will ask your personal details and your business company name and your estimated number of employees. Same thing again, and after you input all of that, they will be they will ask you where would you be available for an interview. So they need to interview you first. So the official staff of Rippling will interview you about your business, and if you if you're good with them, and if they think you'll be able to make an account, they will guide you how to make an account. So you just need to wait, and you just need to input the the date where you want to be interviewed, and also the time. And after you choose the time, just click continue, and as you can see, they will uh, they will send an email to your account, to your Google account, and you just need to wait. And after you did the interview, if you're good, you would be able to create an account, and you will be able to use the rippling. But for now, let's just not do that. So let's just discuss the features itself of rippling dot com. So as you can see, as I said, rippling is one of the best platform you can use for automating workflows. So as you can see, this is the homepage of rippling, and it shows the HR. uh it introduced the platform's core features, so primarily HR, IT, and finance management, and they emphasize all-in-one solution for businesses, and it includes client testimonials, product overviews, and quick links to learn more or request a demo. So as I said, this is what it is. So if you go to the product section, as you can see, this is the product section. It will show you the HR cloud. So this is the rippling HIM. So this is the HR cloud. It shows you, it helps manage employee onboarding, payroll benefits, time tracking, and compliance, and all in one place. So you can see all of this right here. And same thing with the IT cloud. So it automates device management, app provisioning, and access control, ideal for remote team setups. So this is the features. They have identity and access management, device management, and inventory management. And for the finance cloud, so this is the tools that you can use. So it offers, these tools are used for corporate cards, expense management, and accounting integration. So yeah, they offer these features too. And for the global workforce management or payroll, so the global workforce management, it enables hiring and paying employees and contractors across different countries. So yeah, as you can see, you can pay contractors globally. not just locally but globally. And lastly, as you can see, app and device management. Yeah, you have it right here. So this is the product section. This is the product features of Rippling. And if you go to the solution, so let's go to solution first. So as you can see, this part addresses specific business needs like construction by role, for example, construction, retail, brokers, financial service, technology, accountants, and also by business size, etc. For example, startups, mid-size business size, enterprises, so small business, mid-size business, enterprise. So also the by industry. So for example, healthcare, finance, marketing ad agencies, manufacturing, nonprofit organization, professional services. Yeah, it's up to you. So they have industries, company size, and partners. So this is the solutions. This is the solution part. So if you go directly to the resource, you will see their blogs. So blogs, you will see right here their guides, product updates, and insights. So as you can see, they have HR leader blogs. So we can't see it since we don't have an account. But yeah, but when you go to this, you will see all of their blogs, their case studies, uh, webinars, help centers, facts, and step-by-step guides for users. So you will see all of this right here. And for the so as you can see, there's also a global tab, which it actually shows the more detailed features for global workforce management. So you can see the employer of record, global payroll, global constructors, global HRIS, global HR advisors, global benefits, global spend. And yeah, they actually have you know, they offers different kinds of features. For example, the employer of record, it hire employees internationally without setting up a legal entity in each country. So Rippling acts itself as the legal employer on your behalf. So yeah, it's actually good. And for the global payroll, as I said earlier, it run compliant payroll for international employees in multiple currencies and jurisdictions. So on the platform, you can just see the workflow studio. So this is where you can trigger advanced workflows using any data. You can see the analytics right here. They have analytics, they have policies, permissions, grant everyone the right access, and also they have integration. They offers third-party apps to integrate in your Rippling account to perform better. So yes, that's it. So after that, lastly for the pricing, um, so for the pricing, Rippling offers custom pricing based on the features you need. So while the website doesn't list flat rates, so you can see it right here, it provides tool to get a quote by selecting your needs and team size. So it's up to you. So you just need to uh, choose the team size of your business, and yeah, it offers custom pricing. So yeah, so you can see right for now, I can't, I can open my or can I can't create an account on Rippling since my interview is scheduled June 13th, so I won't be available for now. So yeah, you just need to wait, and they will send an email, a meeting details on your email itself that you input, and right there will be a meeting details, and they will guide you how to create an account. So yeah, that's it. So Rippling, that's it. In conclusion, it is a powerful all-in-one platform, and it simplifies how business manage their workforce. It automates workflows from HR and IT to finance and global operations. So whether you're hiring locally and internationally, this platform helps you streamline tasks, so reduce manual work, and stay compliant across the board. So yeah, that's it. So if you're looking for a united solution to manage employees, contractors, payroll, devices, expenses, so yeah, you can use this platform right here. And yes, that's it. That's how you can use Rippling. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.